It was the start of a great decade of heavy funky metal. From 1980 onwards. In 1980 alone, we had Priest, we had Maiden, Scorpions, Motorhead, Saxon, Whitesnake, AC/DC. It was a wonderful, wonderful year. Yeah. Let's hear it for those wonderful people. Because in every step of the way of the life of Judas Priest, we have one thing to say, and that is to thank each and every one of you for your support and dedication to being the fans of Judas Priest. Thank you so very, very much. You're beautiful. Okay, so a song from British Steel, which has become synonymous with this band and the heavy metal movement, is this one, Regular Lux!